Hello, my name is Valerie, and I'm having my breast augmentation with Dr. Guerra. Since about high school, I've always wanted boobs. I've never had boobs really, so it's just something I'm lacking and thought it could make me feel better. Most referrals from Dr. Guerra. I had a family friend, my cousin's ex-girlfriend had their boobs done with him, and then my cousin's, a bunch of her coworkers, there was like 4, recently had their boobs done and they really liked him. So I was like, well, let's call him and see what happens. I went to his website and it was very professional, very nice looking, clean. I had the most pictures out of all the other doctors' websites that had, and you got to pick and choose kind of like what age range, what size, if you wanted silicone or saline. So that was kind of nice to see, and then you could just kind of pick from there what you liked and what looked the best. Well, the office is amazing and very beautiful. The staff was very welcoming right when you walked in. They knew your name, they knew who you were seeing, and just made you very comfortable here. And then we went back to see Dr. Guerra, and he was very welcoming, and he shook my hand, which I think is bedside manner is very important for patient relationship with your doctor. And he made you feel very comfortable. He seemed interested in me, and he knew I was a nurse and was able to talk to me a little about it. It just made me feel very comfortable. He answered the questions very thoroughly and gave me both my options and didn't limit me to say, oh, this is what I do and this is how it's going to be done. He gave me all the options and said what would be best for me, and it's very easy. He answered all my questions. I'm having my procedure in a couple of weeks, and I'm really excited to have some boobs, and I can't wait. It's been a couple weeks since surgery, and I'm doing great. The day of surgery was kind of scary. I'd never had surgery before, and it went really well. I was freaking out kind of at the beginning of surgery, and Dr. Aldo was very reassuring. The staff was excellent. They just kind of calmed me down and told me what I was going to expect. I was back to normal activity within probably a week and stuff. A lot of people that have had other breast implants that I've asked about surgery said it takes them about 6 months to vacuum and so forth and stuff, and we're already vacuuming the house and cleaning and acting just as we did before. Our post-op visit went very well. Dr. Aldo came and looked at the incisions and everything, made sure we're all good. He's very caring and helpful, and he's answered all the questions and just told us what we could or could not do. Now that I have boobs, trying on clothes and wearing my bikini has been awesome. The first time I realized I actually had boobs was when I put my nightgown on. I was like, whoa, and they kind of stuck out, and they used to just fall off of me, and it'd look kind of funny looking, and now it looks great. And I feel really good about my body, and I fit into everything a lot better than I used to. I really enjoy the way how I feel. I feel more self-confident in situations and stuff. I don't feel like everyone's looking at me and just thinking don't have any boobs at all. So now I feel I fill out clothes and stuff. I feel so like me and not fake at all, because I feel like the boobs look very natural on me, and I'm really happy with the size, and it just fits me perfectly. If you're considering breast augmentation, I highly recommend coming seeing Dr. Aldo. The staff and the experience has been great, and I would not go anywhere else.